we will be decorating my coffee bar area, and I will be using one of my latest DIYs for this project. I will be using this DIY that I love in different parts of my home. So from coffee table now to my coffee bar area, and from here it's gonna go to my bedroom, so watch out for that video as well. These biscuits are my husband's favorite breakfast biscuits, and this video is actually for him to celebrate his Father's Day. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and enjoying your day so far. And if you're new visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Shule, and I really love decorating my home and sharing all the tips and tricks to make a beautiful home on a budget. So if you like this type of content, and if you like what you see in this video, please do subscribe. And if you're already a family member, thank you so much for all your love and support. This video is part of a collab hosted by lovely Lady Phoenix over at the Really Good Living, and she has 6 co-hosts including me. Thank you so much, ladies. I really enjoyed collabing with you. I will be using iridescent colors on this coffee bar decor, and this serviette is perfect color for both of my mugs. I don't remember where I got it from, could be the Range or Home Bargains or Poundland, one of the shops. And I will be using a candle holder from B&M store that is also iridescent. I love displaying my pretty napkins in attractive containers such as this one. And I will be using this iridescent toothbrush holder from HomeSense to house my vanilla and lavender spoons as well as glass straws. If you're enjoying the video so far, please do me a favor and give me a thumbs up, because it really helps to my channel. I will be using this riser that I DIY'd a few videos ago, and I will be placing mini bottles of coffee flavoring that my sons bought for my husband during Christmas. This was one of his little Christmas presents. Since this is for my husband, I'm not going to use too much decor, but this area needs a planter, something green, and this planter from Poundland just does the job. And these cute spoons are from Amazon, and I will leave the link below in my description box. And here's the reveal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it inspirational and enjoy the video. The playlist link will be in my description box below, and I'm really looking forward to seeing all the other participants' videos. Until next time, bye bye.